back to MVP Auto, your go-to channel for everything cars. Today, we're diving into one of Chevrolet's most anticipated SUVs of the year, the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Equinox. Redesigned, redefined, and ready to impress, this SUV is making waves in the compact SUV market. So, let's take a closer look at what makes this ride stand out. The 2025 Equinox boasts a fresh new look that screams modern sophistication. Up front, we have a bold redesigned grille paired with sleek LED headlights, giving it a striking road presence. And those sculpted body lines, they're a perfect blend of elegance and aerodynamics. Chevrolet clearly means business with this new design. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that's both functional and luxurious. The 2025 Equinox features an upgraded interior with premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and ambient lighting. Comfort is key, and the Equinox doesn't disappoint. With spacious seating for 5 adjustable rear seats and up to 63.9 cubic feet of cargo space. This SUV is perfect for families, road trips, or just everyday errands. Whether you're loading groceries or packing for a weekend getaway, the Equinox has you covered. Now let's talk performance. The 2025 Equinox comes with a standard 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 175 horsepower and 203 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission, it offers a balanced mix of power and efficiency. Plus, there's an available all-wheel drive option for those who crave more control on challenging terrains. Safety is a priority in the 2025 Equinox. It comes loaded with Chevy's Safety Assist package, which includes features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera. It's designed to keep you and your loved ones safe on every drive. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Chevrolet Equinox is more than just an SUV. It's a statement. With its stylish design, tech-packed interior, solid performance, and advanced safety features, it's clear that Chevrolet has created a strong contender in the compact SUV segment. If you're in the market for a reliable feature-packed SUV, the 2025 Equinox should definitely be on your radar. But don't just take my word for it. Head to your local Chevy dealership and experience it for yourself. Thanks for tuning in to MVP Auto. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest cars. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the 2025 Equinox. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more exciting reviews.